Yo, this is Shannon McCollum, Mr. Same Camera, Different Eye. It's a new season, y'all, 2026, and I am the in-house instructor for Cam Kirk Studios for the 2026 season. Really, man, my thing I like to capture is artists. I have always been a documentarian, man. Like the Gordon Parks of this thing, man, like being a fly on the wall, getting on the jet, getting off the jet, about to go on stage, coming off stage, to shine light on artists and document them when they're not even thinking about there as a photographer in the room. Some things a photographer should always know is how you move, man. What's your character like? How does your client see you? You know, will you be able to get repeat business? All of those things are important in who you are as a photographer, who you are as a person is very important in this game. If you love this thing, man, come pull up, man. I'm gonna be here early. And early is on time is late. We're gonna talk about all kind of situations. We're gonna talk about all kind of scenarios. You know, what if your client got an attitude, how you handle that, how you handle somebody that is constantly telling you, make me look skinny. You know, we're gonna handle all that. So I'm a photographer. I love this shit. I'm teaching A to Z, man. I just wanna put game on you. I just wanna let you know how I did it for 34 years. Come rock with me, come pull up.